Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew battery. Next, unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Then disconnect display cables from motherboard. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Then use fingers to pry apart and separate LCD back from display assembly. Then unscrew sensor board. Now disconnect and remove sensor board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.